You can say one thing and do another. We preach about that. And in fact, I think that's what's happening with NAMB's argument to the courts. They're saying one thing at times to Southern Baptists, we're the protectors of religious liberty, things such as that, but it's their actions in the court. It's the argument to the court that's concerning. Because at the end of the day, what the court says, what the Supreme Court says, is the law of the land. And if they say that Baptists are all part of this one big church, we're the Baptist church, and therefore we're kind of like Catholics, and our polity, is not what we say our polity is. Well, legally in the United States, it'll be whatever the court determines our polity is, essentially.
Yeah, I heard a Texas businessman referring to this, and he said basically, if this stands in court, it's creating a new kind of Baptist polity, because this connectionalism that is being formed by their arguments in the court.